everyone, it's Amanda from Crystal Coast Originals. Thank you so much for joining me today. Before we get started, I wanted to show you guys the dried results of the painting that you're going to see today. It is a swipe and spin, and I used the Shelly Bloom formula to mix my paints. I'm loving this, you guys. I'm not sure which way I like it better. I think I kind of like it better vertical, but either way it looks really, really cool. I used my usual browns and golds for this, but I also added a little bit of copper, so you can kind of see the reddish in here, which I'm really liking. I think it kind of gives it an extra pop. This is on a 12 by 24 inch canvas, and it is for sale in my Etsy shop. If you guys are interested, I will leave a link in the description box. For this painting, I used a combination of acrylic paint as well as powdered pigments. And for the powdered pigments, I reconstituted them or wet them with a little bit of water before adding the pouring medium. As usual, my formula as well as the colors will be listed in the description box, so please don't forget to check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.